In this Instagram video tutorial today I will show you how to make Instagram black. So if you want to make the Instagram black app, so you just need to watch this complete video and I will show you some information to make the Instagram account black. So first of all, I'm going to open my Instagram app. So right now by default you can normally see there is only white mode on an Instagram app. So if you want to make the Instagram account black, so there is some requirements to make the Instagram app black. So the first thing, we just need to update your Instagram app and you make sure you have installed the Instagram beta version. It's a much more better. So now the second thing, which one is you have Android device which have the night mode option. And the second thing, which one is you must have installed the application. If you have not the dark mode option, so you just need to install the dark mode app. So this is only application which helps you to make the Instagram account black. So right now you can see it display errors because I have the night mode option to my Android device, so that's why I see this problem. But if you don't have the Android night mode option to your Android phone, so you just need to install this application and second guess. So anyway guys, I have the night mode option to my Android device which comes with by default. So let me show the night mode option from display settings. So you will find guys the night mode. So now when I switch on the night mode option, so you can see that everything is right now black. So right now this night mode is applied on my Android device. So now I want to go back to the Instagram and as you can see everything is turned on in black. So you can here see guys, I can easily make the Instagram account black. So if you want to make your Instagram account black, so for that you just need to install the Instagram latest updated beta version app. And the second important thing, if you have a latest Android device which have the night mode, so you just need to turn on the night mode from phone setting. Or if you don't have the any night mode option to your Android device, so you must install the dark mode application on that case. This is pretty simple way to make the Instagram account black. So you just need to simply follow the instructions. So if you have still any confusion regarding to make the Instagram account black, so you just need to ask any question related to this topic. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please comment and share it. And if you get the more videos regarding Instagram, so you just need to subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest videos. Thank you so much for watching.